Hello, everyone. Today, we are exploring CDSE, that is Copernicus Data Space Ecosystem, that provides number of services and ways to access satellite data. CDSE provides also the platform for satellite data, and the access to the satellite data, and the platform for data processing. One of each data processing platform is Jupyter Lab, which is similar to Planetary Computer Hub that tried on June 2024. As the users, we have been offered with multiple APIs, such as Stack, openEO, and Sentinel Hub APIs. This is an amazing opportunity for any remote sensing enthusiasts to explore and utilize these freely available platforms or methods. To further add, in this, we are also provided with multiple samples of codes, and this we can surely reuse, edit, and utilize for our own case. In this particular video, we will briefly have our own explorations with openEO web service. I've taken all these codes from samples for my personal learning. Here we have imported the 4 Python packages, and then we connect to openEO web service by .connect and providing the URL, which is authenticated by this authenticate_OIDC. Let's not forget that this is only one of the web services provided here. We have so many other APIs that can be plentifully utilized. openEO is just one of them. The available satellite data has been listed here by .list_collection_IDs. We can see that openEO is enriched mostly with data from Sentinel satellite series. Information about the individual satellite product can be read by .describe_collection. Here we have Sentinel2_L2A, and it provides the information about this particular satellite data. The other is the processes or the functions that are present within this openEO package. So these are the functions that we can use whenever required. And we can see that there are 133 processes or functions. And the helpful way to access or to know about these processes is by .describe_process. So for instance, here we are trying to understand this function called add, and it adds the 2 different numbers. And here I had the save file, and GeoPandas is providing me the extent of the study area. So this can be useful when we try to upload our own area of interest. So this basically gives us the 4 extreme points, which contains the save file or the study area. The important function of all is the .load_collection, which is used to prepare the data queue. So in this case, the data queue for the process. So 3 bands and data range and the spatial extent, along with the maximum cloud cover, has been provided to this connection, variable connection, where we had earlier just authenticated ourselves, and this is presented as the cube. And we want to save this these images as the GTIFF. So we do this dot save underscore result, and downloading a large number of TIFF images will be easier as a batch job, or the task conducted in a single go. So this is done by execute underscore batch. Here we are preparing for that batch job. So our batch job is provided with the unique ID, and that unique ID can be used again later. So the same task can be connected later. So this is here. I haven't run this, so I'm just going through the codes only. I had already run this. You can see that this is, there is the one of the blank cube, blank big brackets there. So this can be important in times when we want to run the same process or same batch up again. The results can be further handled with get underscore results. This provides information about the result. And you can see we have the job ID. This is the job ID, and the downloaded file have different information. So it is not exactly being downloaded within the system. We are just preparing the process. So these are the results, and we can see different assets or the different satellite data. The actual process is here down below. Where we are actually exactly downloading it within the folders. So we do this by download underscore files, and we provide the path to the files, and our files should be downloaded easily. So it might take some time, but it will work eventually. And here is a short way to very brief way to plot the files, plot the bands or images. So a for loop has been used to plot few images from the downloaded folder. And this is it. This ends the short exploration of CDSE using Jupyter Hub. There are certainly exists plenitude of learning and exploring opportunity, and hope we will further learn together. And thank you for watching.